I-Democratic Alliance yase-Ekurhuleni ifake isikhalazo esisemthethweni kwiKomishini Yamalungelo Oluntu yaseMzantsi Afrika. Ityhola isixeko ngokusilela ukubonelela ngezindlu kunye nokushiya phakathi imisebenzi yokwakha izindlu emininzi ingagqitywanga. Esi sikhalazo singeniswe ngumgqatswa weqela le-DA ogacele isikhundla sokuba ngusodolophu wase-Ekurhuleni, uKhathutshelo Rasilingwane, ebutsheni banamhlanje. URasilingwane utyhola isixeko ngokunyhasha amalungelo abantu, esitsho esithi umemelela ukungenelela okukhawulezileyo, ukuvuselela imisebenzi yokwakha izindlu kumasipala, kunye nokuqinisekisa ukuba uluntu oluchaphazelekayo lufumana izindlu olwazithenjiswa ngurhulumente kwiminyaka emininzi eyadlulayo.
Iqembu lezepolitiki i-Democratic Alliance esifundazweni saseGoli selise umasipala wase-Ekurhuleni kwikhomishana ebhekelela amalungelo abantu kwelakuleli njengoba lithi lo masipala ulaxaze ilungelo lezindlu ezinesizotha neziphephile.
These are housings that were supposed to be benefiting over 300,000 people in the city of Ekurhuleni that have been left abandoned by the city of Ekurhuleni as well as the Gauteng Provincial Human Settlement Department. Now, we as the Democratic Alliance have been writing, from the complaints that we get from residents, we have been writing to the city of Ekurhuleni asking about these projects that have been left abandoned, one of which is a project that is in Tembisa, just behind Tembisa Hospital. It's a project that was meant to benefit at least over 3,000 residents from Tembisa that have been left abandoned. And we also know that almost 90 million have been spent in that project. But today it has been left abandoned. It's currently being vandalized. And to date, there's no one that has been held accountable.
Kusenjalo leli qembu lithi uma ke lingena kuhulumeni lizoguqula izimpilo zabahlali ngokuqinisekisa ukuthi izidingongqangi ziyafika emphakathini.
I spoke about the city of Ekurhuleni being a crime scene. Lastly, we need to make sure that we make the city of Ekurhuleni a safer municipality. I mean, no business, no investment will want to come and invest in our city when there's killings that are happening on a daily basis, when the EMPD department, a department that has a responsibility to ensure that we feel safe as residents, is highly compromised. You would know of Julius Mkaunazi. He's a high senior official leading that department. And I mean, I can just only leave it to you to, question the character, to say if you have a deputy chief of police that is arrested almost every week, what do you expect in terms of safety on the ground?
Izinkinga zezindlu ziyaqhubeka nokwanda esifundazweni saseGoli njengoba izinhlangano ezibhekelela abahlali zikhala zizithulise ngenani labantu abasalinde izindlu zomxhaso kusukela ngonyaka ka-1996. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngiseParktown.
Kusenjalo umama okhubazekileyo wase-Ekurhuleni uthi sele elinde iminyaka engaphezulu kwekhulu ngoku ukuze afumane indlu karhulumente nangona waqinisekiswa kudala ukuba ayifumane. Uthi usaqhubeka nokuhlala kwigumbi elinye eliqeshiweyo nonyana wakhe osele nokwekhulile, esitsho ebongoza isixeko ukuba singenelele ngokukhawuleza.
Affecteka kakhulu mina la ngihlala khona futhi ngirente i-room. Ngihlala eroomini nge-disability, so ku-one room nomntana womfana ona 14 years. So kunini ngabhalisa indlu, ngabhalisa i-RDP house ngo-2011, and then ngathola bang-approve ngo-2014, then ngathola i-subsidy ku-2014. So even now soloko ngilibele ngikhala ukuthi indlu akekho umuntu osinakayo, but ngiyamangala ukuthi ngoba abahlali bathi disability is the first priority nama-elders, but akekho nabogogo abaningi manje basakhala babhalisa ngo-96 abazithola izindlu. So into nje siyikhalelayo leyo, siyahlupheka nje kakhulu, sisamfuna ukutshela manga as much as njengoba ngisho ngithi mina ngiwesi ngoba ngihlala naseromini nge-condition ye-disability, angikhona ukungena i-toilet le yangaphandle la ngihlala khona ngoba ngirentile encane, and nasendlini angikhona ukuphuma because i-wheelchair yami size 22, so angikhona ukuthi mangabe akunamuntu endlini akunamuntu ozongikhipha. So sometimes nginokuthuka ukuthi mangabe ngabamba umlilo ngisendlini mina ngihleli ngi-1 ngayenza kanjani, because fanele ukuthi mangizophuma endlini fanele ngiphushwe bese ngiyobeka ngaphandle. I-living condition engi-under yona leyo engizwisa ubuhlungu. So ngikhalile, siyazama ukulibele sikhalela iminyango, but akunampendulo ebakhona. Ngingacela kakhulu ukuthi abasiconsiderishe as ama-elders nama-disability, abasiconsiderishe, because sometimes sifila ukuthi abasinakanga and leyo nto leyo isibhlungu kakhulu nje ngicela into leyo into ngiyicela kakhulu ukuthi abasiconsideration ukuthi izinto masizidinga angisho ukuthi abasenzele konke nathi sina yamarule kumele siwadlale impilo zethu but ngoba ngingasebenzi angeke ngikhona ukuzithengela indlu mina ngisho ngine disability so that's why it's real kubo ukuthi sicela ukuthi basisize ngalo